BOSCH RA1181 Benchtop Router Table Review, Precision Routing and Small Shop Upgrade. Ever feel like your handheld router is holding you back? I remember shaping oak trim on a shaky plywood setup, constantly second-guessing every pass. It was exhausting. One small slip and the edge was ruined. That frustration adds up fast. If you've ever felt stuck between DIY ambition and limited control, you're not alone. What's been your biggest routing challenge? Missed deadlines. Sawdust everywhere. That low hum of stress while you try to keep a board steady and guide a spinning bit at the same time. A friend once scrapped an entire cabinet door after one uneven pass, and the look on his face said it all. Quiet burnout is real. There's a better rhythm waiting. That's where the BOSCH RA1881 Benchtop router table changes the workflow. Don't just pick any benchtop router table. Make sure it has a rigid aluminum mounting plate so you avoid frustrating bit deflection and uneven cuts. The large aluminum top stays impressively flat, giving your workpiece a smooth glide instead of chatter and hesitation. The tall aluminum fence with adjustable MDF faceplates lets you dial in near zero clearance support, which means cleaner edges and far less tear out. Dual 2 1/2 inch dust ports connect easily to a shop vacuum, helping you see your cut line instead of breathing clouds of debris. Above table height adjustment on many compatible routers saves your back and your time. It feels different. One cabinet maker I know nearly missed a client deadline, then finished his edge profiling in a single calm evening after setting up this table. Beyond edge work, sim users quietly rely on it for quick joinery and repeatable small batch parts, almost like a compact production station. Small shift, big control. What stands out over time is how the BOSCH RA1181 benchtop router table supports consistent, repeatable accuracy. An expert woodworker described the aluminum top as flat within a few thousandths of an inch, noting the fence system rivals heavier cabinet tables. A popular DIY influencer shared that the dual dust ports keep close-up cuts visible on camera, which says a lot about real-world dust control. An industry analyst pointed out it delivers much of the performance of larger cast iron setups while staying portable. One garage user told me, "My boards just glide now, and I'm not fighting the tool anymore." That sums it up. In my own shop, I noticed fewer micro adjustments mid-project because the fence and outfeed shims stayed aligned once set. Yes, assembly takes patience, and clamping it securely is essential, but that initial effort pays back in stability. See why so many professionals refuse to work without it now. Imagine fewer do-overs. Would cleaner edges change how you approach your next build? If you're ready for smoother cuts, better dust control, and a more confident routing experience, the BOSCH RA1181 Benchtop Router Table is a practical upgrade. Join the many creators and small shop owners already seeing consistent workflow improvements, though results may vary depending on setup and skill level. It's not about hype, it's about control. If your projects matter to you, this table can help you work smarter, not harder. Click the link and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.